Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips for sensitive skin during National Healthy Skin Month. Many people cope with sensitive skin, and that has to do with symptoms of dryness, irritation, and stinging. While some people are genetically predisposed to sensitive skin, there are things in our environment that can sensitize us. But the good news is that you can take a proactive approach and make some modifications in your environment that will help mitigate some of these changes to the moisture barrier that could otherwise set you up for a bout of sensitive skin. Plants can improve the air quality and moisture content of your living spaces. That ultimately translates into a healthier skin moisture barrier. Then, of course, the fabrics that you choose in your clothing, a good choice are natural fibers like bamboo or cotton. Then lastly, docking spaces in your home with safe and effective skincare products. Aveeno, for one, has leveraged their scientific expertise to unlock the power of oat and other nature-derived ingredients, developing 2 new skincare collections designed to seal in moisture, soothe irritation, and restore the moisture barrier. Their new collections are formulated without parabens, phthalates, fragrance, or dyes. The restorative skin therapy line is a dermatologist-tested body care regimen, clinically proven to be well tolerated and effective on distressed, sensitive, dry skin. Now, their hero product, the Oat Repairing Cream, is made with a rich complex of aloe, Pro B5, and the brand's highest concentration of prebiotic oat. And then for the face, the Aveeno Calm and Restore line includes oat and calming feverfew. The oat gel moisturizer instantly soothes and replenishes the moisture barrier. Now, you can get the new Aveeno Calm and Restore and Restorative Skin Therapy products on Target.com.